All right, last Friday we talked about themes in literature. And themes, again, are those big ideas that a story is about, the message the author is trying to give. So those can be things such as equality, love, loss, um, overcoming obstacles, gender, identity, family, those ideas that literature talks about, that an author has a message about. That's what a theme is. And what we did is we annotated or took notes over the memoir Fish Cheeks, if you'll recall. That is the memoir in which the girl is embarrassed because she is embarrassed of her culture because she likes this boy named Robert. Her family makes her all her favorite foods, but it doesn't seem like they're her favorite foods because of the way she describes them. So we read that and we annotated it, took some notes where we felt like the theme was coming out, and then we wrote a paragraph about one of the annotations we made, so about one part of the memoir. So that's what you did last week. And eventually what you'll do is you will do this in a quiz as well. So today I want you to practice with your independent reading book. All right, your independent reading book also has a theme, no matter if it's a novel, a fantasy novel, or whether it's nonfiction. There is still a theme or an idea that the author is trying to get across. So I want you to try with that. So I want you to think through your novel, look through it a bit, and find a line, 2 lines, a paragraph, all right, that you feel like the theme comes out. So for instance, I'm reading The Natural, and it might be that I find, this paragraph at the end of this chapter here, I feel like, well, this really tells something about an idea, a big idea, or a theme. All right, so what I want you to do then is I want you to write a well-developed paragraph over that part that you found in your independent reading book. And you'll do this on Google Classroom. So just remember that a well-developed paragraph has a topic sentence. Oftentimes you will write down the what first. So this could be the word choice or the dialogue in this section, or or anything, whatever it is that you notice, you write first. So for instance, I write the word choice in this paragraph. Then you use an active verb. Active verbs are like, shows, highlights, portrays, proves. And then what the author is saying about the theme is what you put last. So what is the author saying about that big idea? So again, my example was that the word choice in this paragraph of Tan's Fish Cheeks highlights the discomfort she feels as a cultural outsider. All right. Then in the next section, you just use some quotes to prove your topic sentence that it's true. So mine is the rhetorical questions that Amy asks in the second paragraph show her worry. In each question, she compares Chinese customs to American customs. The negative connotations of words such as shabby and noisy show her un-American shame, while the warm, positive connotations of roasted turkey and sweet potatoes show a yearning to be more appropriately American. So I want you to write your own paragraph, put it on Google Classroom as long as I have shared that document with you. If somehow I forget, just write it in your notebook, okay? So write a paragraph from your independent reading book that talks about theme, using some quotes from that, all right? When you're done, I just want you to read the rest of the time. So you don't need to spend a lot of time on this. I wouldn't spend more than 10 minutes on it. Certainly that would be on the long end before you start reading.